안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to Sophia Imu's Real Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a very easy and quick and delicious spiced pork bulgogi. In Korean, Jeyuk bokkeum. Jeyuk means pork. Also we can say 돼지고기. So Jeyuk and 돼지고기 are the same as a pork. And bokkeum is stir-fried food. So Jeyuk bokkeum means stir-fried pork bulgogi. But some people, when they make Jeyuk bokkeum, they marinate the pork with the spicy sauce for more about 2 hours a day, and they keep it in the refrigerator. It tastes good, but I don't have enough time because I just came home from work and I have to make food as fast as possible. So I got inspired by the famous Korean chef, Mr. Baek, and he gave us a tip to make an easy and delicious Jeyuk bokkeum without marinating pork. So it's very easy busy. So let's get started. Okay, here are the ingredients. You can see the detailed ingredients in the description below the video. But I want to talk about this one, today's main character, the pork shoulder. I'd like to use the pork shoulder for the Jeyuk bokkeum. You can use the pork belly or pork neck, of course, but I strongly recommend this part because it has 3 layers: skin, fat, and flesh. It is perfect texture when they got stirred and very, very cheap compared to the pork belly. Okay, let's make Jeyuk bokkeum now. Okay, step 1, cutting. The first, cut the pork shoulder. I already bought the thinly sliced pork shoulder. You can ask the butcher to cut the pork very thinly. And second, slice onion, but not too thin, not too thick, the proper amount size. And 3, cut the green onion diagonally. And 4th, cut the peppers and carrots. Finish! Just 2 minutes. And step 2, stir fry. As I told you, we don't marinate the pork and directly cook it. So the process order is really important here. So first, heat the pan and pour 1 tablespoon of oil and put the pork shoulder in it. And second, this is the most important thing, put the 1 tablespoon of sugar. As I told you, we don't marinate the pork with all the sauce together. So the process order is really important in this recipe. So put 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix with the pork well. This is the chef Baek's idea. When we put sugar first in the meat, the sugar can tender the meat because sugar has a tenderizing effect. And the sweetness is enhanced even though we don't put a lot of sugar. Okay? And then third, pour 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Also, you can put the ginger a little bit if you have. And this is the base layer of flavor. Also, a little bit black pepper or cooking wine. In this way, you can make base flavor of the Jeyuk bokkeum and remove the meat smell. And 4th, when the pork blood is gone, we're gonna move on to the second layer of flavor. Put 1 tablespoon of gochujang, red pepper paste. Put 1 teaspoon of chicken stock or beef stock or fish sauce to enhance the flavor. Now, this is the third layer of flavor. Put all the veggies and stir them well with over high heat. You don't need to cook veggies too much, but still there will be a water coming out of the veggies. This time, put 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, the Korean chili powder. The timing of the putting gochugaru is really important because gochugaru absorbs the water from the food. So it prevents the pork from being too much watery and too much juicy. Then, if the veg is half cooked well, then turn off the heat. Pour 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil and a little bit sesame seeds, sprinkle, and done. Ta-da! Yeah, it looks so pretty. Let's put the meat in a plate. So you see the color? It's amazing. Okay, let me try the Jeyuk bokkeum, the spiced pork bulgogi. You see? The color is so delicious and smell so good. With the sesame seeds and sesame oil, smells so great. So now I'm just trying it now. You see, big size of the pork. So good. As you put the sugar first, and then meat is so tender, and the sweetness and the spiciness and the saltiness is mixed together. It's really good. So with this Jeyuk bokkeum, all the family members enjoy the big supper. So we say it's like a 5,000 won of happiness. 소확행, small but certain happiness. So if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe. So see you next time. 안녕. 팽바.